Here we have 3 experimental raw fermented hot sauces I'm working on. Number 1 here, that is red hot rose hips. So rose hips and Rhodolia rosea, otherwise known as rose root, cayenne peppers, and some hickory smoked jalapenos with a few other herbs. That one's bubbling away and smelling fantastic. That's what it looks like. The Rhodolia rosea actually gives it a floral aroma, and then the smoky balanced with the floral is pretty amazing. This next guy here, that is butterfly blue pea blossoms and buena mulata purple peppers, elderberry juice, chaga brine, and a range of other ones I can't think of right now, black pepper and a range of things. So the anthocyanin is coming from both the butterfly blue pea blossoms and the elderberry juice, and it's carrying a deep purple into the sauce. It's going to make for some pretty colorful tacos once it's done fermenting. Also smelling amazing. This here is another raw fermented hot sauce I'm working on. This one is homegrown cayenne peppers with schisandra berries, aka the 5-flavor fruit. So that's an adaptogen enhancing adrenal function and cardiovascular function and a range of other things, with some hickory smoked jalapenos. So it's smoky, it's got a touch of floral and fruity, and it's a medicinal grade hot sauce. This one is glowing with carotenoids and antioxidants. Smelling pretty amazing. Check out the link below to a recipe to a similar adaptogenic hot sauce called the 7-fold flame sriracha.